There's increasingly a lot of interest in Alaska-grown kelp. There are more and more people who are growing it, and therefore it's more and more available to us to enjoy. Kelp is an incredibly nutrient-dense food, often referred to as the multivitamin from the ocean. Nutrients like iodine and folate and vitamin K and omega-3 fatty acids. So not only is kelp healthy for us, kelp is also delicious. I tend to use a little bit of kelp in my cooking almost every day of the week. What I like most about kelp and cooking with kelp is that it's a great way to add salt to a dish. I also like the fact that it's really healthy. I know that I'm adding something that's really healthy for my family when I use this as a salty element in a dish.